A woman walked into a hospital in 1951 with stomach pain. Doctors took something from her without asking. It changed biology forever, and she never knew. Her name was Henrietta Lacks. Born in Virginia, raised on the tobacco fields, she arrived at Johns Hopkins, one of the only hospitals treating black patients. While being treated for cervical cancer, doctors quietly removed a sample of a tumour. No consent was requested, nor any conversation around it had. Not unusual for the time, especially for a black woman. Researcher George Gay, who handled the tissue sample, noticed something extraordinary. Her cells didn't die in culture. They kept growing. Nothing like this had ever been seen in a lab before. He called them HeLa cells, a quiet nod to their origin, and he sent them around the world for free. Those cells helped develop the polio vaccine, which were highly susceptible to infection by the virus. They featured in over 100,000 scientific papers, and they're still being used today. A piece of Henrietta's body was taken, shared globally, and others profited from it enormously. Her family didn't even know about HeLa cells, let alone the extent to which they were being used, until decades later. A lawsuit was eventually settled between her estate and Fisher Scientific, a large biotech conglomerate. Her case also exposed a huge issue in cell culture. Cell lines are hard to trace, and cross-contamination has quietly undermined research data for years. Our understanding of the world didn't get here cleanly. It got here through real people like Henrietta Lacks, often exploited for financial gain. She gave the world one of its most powerful scientific tools. She just never got the choice. She's the most important person in medicine you've never heard of.